Hello, today I will review the new 2025 ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. Change your temperature by easily tapping the color touch screen or using the top-rated ecobee app. Plus, free software upgrades ensure you get the best out of your Smart Thermostat Essential for years to come. Automatically adjust to your set schedule to save energy when you're gone and optimize comfort when you're home. Keep track of your energy consumption when you're on the go on the ecobee app. AC DIY install. No C-wire. No problem. Get the ecobee Power Extender Kit Pack for homes without a C-wire and keep your walls looking nice with our trim kit. Works with leading smart home ecosystems. Pair Smart Thermostat Essential with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Works with most 24 VAC equipment, gas, oil, electric, dual fuel, forced air conventional to H, 1C or 1H to C heat pump to H, 1C boilers. You can also check your system's compatibility before purchasing. Add in a smart sensor, which allows you to measure the temperature in rooms that matter most, like the nursery or bedroom. It reads temperature and movement in whatever room it is placed in for complete home monitoring and energy savings. Built-in Eco Plus smart features, indoor humidity detection, schedule assistant, time of use which preheats or precools your home when energy is less expensive to reduce energy use during peak hours.